Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can search songs on Samsung Galaxy S25. In order to make your device recognize music and show you results, what you need to do is go to Quick Settings. So on the right side of the phone, swipe from the top towards the bottom. And in Quick Settings, we can find an option that allows you to search for music. It is not added by default, I believe, so we need to tap on this pen icon in the top right corner in order to add it. Go to Edit, and then over here in Available Buttons, we need to search for Song Search. And there it is. This is the one. So I'm gonna just quickly tap it in order to add it to the list. Press down twice in the top right corner, and let's return to the list. Let's press Song Search, and let's play music. And there we go. We have the results. By default, it will use the default search browser, I believe, to show you the results, or it might just actually be using Google. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.